everyone, Kelly here. We have new products and we can't wait to show you. And I've got my sidekicks here, my daughter Julia and her good friend Kira. They are both 12, almost 13. They are in 7th grade and they love Posh. So they have not seen these products yet. I've got my bag of goodies. I'm gonna show the most exciting one first, just to get you hooked right from the beginning. Ready? Okay. We've got a new face mask. It's called Ice Queen, and it's a peel-off mask.
Does it hurt?
No. We have not had a peel-off mask before because a lot of the peel-off masks contain ingredients that are not good for your skin. They're like plastics and chemicals, and then they have this like glue substance in them that make them stick to your face, and you've got to rip them off, and that isn't pampering. Ours is gentle. Let's put it on and then I'll talk about what it does.
Okay.
Because you do need to leave this on for 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And you want to put on a thick layer, like a thick, even layer.
That's what I do with every face mask.
Okay, see with a lot of our face masks, you don't really need a super thick layer, just enough to cover your face. But this one, you want it to be nice and thick and even, so you have a good peel afterwards. I don't know if it's better to do it with a mask brush or your fingers. You can do it either way.
I'm using
fingers work better for me.
Okay.
I'm using my fingers. It's silver.
Ooh. Yeah.
It's like thick, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It kind of feels like
It feels just thick, like me.
yeah.
I need more, mother.
I don't think I've ever called my mom mother.
She's been doing that lately.
Or all.
What do you think of the scent?
I like it. It smells
I don't
like
really think it smells like anything, so I like that.
It's very light.
yeah. It has like it just smells like Christmas.
The face mask.
It smells like
itself
Christmas
does
to you? I feel like it smells like green. I'm kind of liking the mask brush application, which I don't usually use a mask brush. I like to use my fingers.
I use a mask brush a lot. I'm using my
But I
fingers.
feel like the mask brush is gonna make it like an even like thickness because it's not like picking it up into your fingers.
Oop, whoop. I feel like the Tin Man.
Yeah.
Oh, no can.
It feels really nice, and I like whenever I use a face mask and then it starts like firming up and you can feel it firming up.
And then you can't move your face.
Yeah, I love that feeling.
Yeah.
And you get that feeling and it looks really cool. So yeah.
This is fun. Okay, let's talk about what this mask does, and then I have even more products to show you. So it's going to lift off dirt and dead skin.
Good.
Ooh,
Yeah,
yes.
we all need that.
It clears it out. It wipes it of everything.
Yep, it's just gonna lift off dead skin and clear out your pores.
Teenagers need that.
Yeah.
And so do not teenagers. We all need clean
So
pores.
do like
Everyone needs
80-year-olds, like my mom. She's 80.
Watch yourself. It's also infused with ginger and eucalyptus.
It's cool.
That's what it comes from.
I
Yeah.
really like it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
It is
cooling.
So it's like a lot of face masks I used before I became like a Posh person. They were like really painful because they were burning hot, and this one's like soothing and cooling.
Posh is all about pampering. That's why we waited and developed a gentle peel-off face mask. We don't want you to rip your face off. This also has lava water from Jeju Island.
That makes me like it even more. That feels like something Starbucks would say.
Honestly.
This lava water from Jeju Island is rich in minerals that provide intense hydration. That cool tingly feeling, it's because there's peppermint and spearmint essential oils.
I wanted to say that.
Do you feel it tightening up a little
Yeah.
bit? A little bit. We're supposed to leave this on for 20 minutes.
It's great for selfies.
Super great for
I
selfies.
always feel like I look better with face masks on.
We're lifting off dirt and dead skin. We are tightening. We are moisturizing. It does everything all in one. And we are going to be glowing and radiant when we peel this thing off.
Finally, I like to be glowing and radiant.
Me too.
It makes me feel like the sun. But right now I'm the moon.
Is it normal to have oily skin, but your skin is also dry?
That's combination skin. It's a
Yeah.
thing. It's like oily in some spots and
Yeah.
dry. All right,
But I'm
so you want to see what else we have?
Yes.
Okay. We have a bunch of new hand creams.
Yeah.
Oh. It says sandalwood. I hate sandalwood, but this smells nothing like sandalwood.
It's spun sugar in
I
sandalwood.
love this
If you are a
smell.
hater of sandalwood like me, you'll love this.
See, I love sandalwood. And that one's not my favorite. Really weird.
If you love feeling and smelling warm and just cozy, this one's amazing.
This just is gonna be Christmas.
Ooh, it's really good.
Oh, this is getting like even mintier or tinglier as it starts to dry.
And I like that. I don't want it to be super bad at first.
If you like minty tingly, this hand cream's called Tis the Season to be Freezin', and it's vanilla and mint and a hint of white winter musk. We also have a body scrub with the same name, same flavor. I just don't have that yet.
Scent.
Yeah.
But you're gonna get it.
I know you love minty stuff.
Yes. It's my thing.
This one's called Let's Spoon, and it is sugar, like a sugar cookie sandalwood mix. Very interesting. And the people who don't love sandalwood are saying they love it. I am a sandalwood lover, and honestly, this one's not my favorite, but that's okay. There's plenty more. This one is my favorite. It's called Working Girl. It's ultra super duper moisturizing, and wait till you smell this.
It's got a hand cream or lotion.
It smells like vanilla frosting.
It does. It smells like,
Funfetti.
yeah.
It says the scent is almond. Some people, they're like, please, ma'am, may I please have some? See, you didn't put the other ones on. You want to use that. Show them how much you use, guys.
A pea-sized.
Well,
Yep.
I'm already mixing
A
it.
little bit goes a long way.
Well, I
love
use
this.
only
Do you
jam.
feel like these even feel a little different than our big fat yummies? They're still not greasy. They still have the apricot kernel oil that gives that soft finish, but it does take a second to soak in because they're ultra super moisturizing. They're really, it's barrier building.
This feels like Grammy's skin.
And your hands.
She means that in a good way, I guess. Grammy
Yes.
has soft skin.
Feel wet.
She's really soft.
Yeah, like my hands don't feel wet now.
Or oily.
Nope.
They feel just clean.
So
I love this so much.
Me too.
if you have hardworking hands, if you're always washing them, if you are always doing things with your hands, and if they get really dry and cracked during the winter, this is what you need. Barrier building hand cream. New body cream.
I love Posh's body cream.
It's called Young Love.
Ooh.
It's super, super, ultra duper moisturizing. There's 4 types of sodium hyaluronate in here, which is a natural ingredient that absorbs in moisture from the air and like sucks it in and hydrates your skin like so intensely. It's so, so, so good. Comes out of the tube a little fast because it's not like a thick, heavy cream. It really spreads very easily.
I didn't even smell it.
Yeah. Smells so good, right?
It does smell amazing.
When I read the description tangerine plum, I was like, what? And to me, it smells like a
Peaches.
fresh,
Yeah.
like peaches?
Yes.
Well, I guess tangerine peach. It smells to me like a fresh plum, like I am having plum that I bit.
This packaging
Yeah.
is so cute and wintry,
I'm sorry.
and it all
Mom,
has like a theme.
This is getting tighter.
Yeah, I can see it.
But, oh, mine's still wet. 2 chunks.
Yay.
This one's called, what is it called? This one's called You Could Use a Hug. It has like a musk to it. It says it smells like cashmere, but what does cashmere smell like? But it's just like a warm, earthy, a little bit of a musky smell to it. Kira, you like that kind of musky smell. What do you think of that? Yeah.
It reminds me of Italy. I don't know why. It just does.
This one also has some plant called cat's claw bark in it, and it has little pieces of that in there that provide a light exfoliation, but it's also going to really soften and soothe your skin. This one's called Holly Jolly. We did have it last Christmas too.
I remember it.
The packaging has changed a little bit, but it's the same. Warm mulled holiday, pomegranate, pine, and clove.
It would like wake me up, I remember. And I would only use it
It's
for, the
like
Christmas.
fruity and has that pine, like has that, like, it's like a manliness, like a mannish type of smell, but like with fruity on top of it. It smells like Christmas. That smells like Christmas.
I only
You're starting to peel.
I only used it the week of Christmas. I only wanted to use it the week of Christmas to get me prepared for Christmas.
Get you in the Christmas spirit.
It was cold the week of Christmas, but then on Christmas it was 75 degrees.
Do you want to peel your mask?
It's been 20 minutes.
Kira's peeling hers off. Does it hurt?
No, not at all.
Don't rip off my eyebrow.
And you probably will have a little bit left, and you can just take a Baradol wipe or just a face cloth and some water and rinse off what's left over.
My skin does not feel irritated. It feels really soft.
It looks glowy.
I don't know how to do this.
Start at the bottom. I don't know if mine's not ready. I put mine on thicker than you guys did.
I just There's nothing more satisfying than peeling off a face mask and it doesn't hurt. That is the most satisfying thing in the world.
It's my skin.
I know. It's like
So perfect.
fresh and glowy. Oh, there were 2 more things I didn't talk about yet. We've got new bath bombs, Jingle Balls.
Do they make a color?
Yep.
Can I use one?
Well, one's white, so I would imagine that does not. That is a Christmas on the Beach Pina Colada bath bomb. This one is called Plums of Fairy. It's berry plum scent, and this one is Bellini, citrus, and champagne.
I want to use plums one. I'm using the plum one tonight.
It smells so good.
My skin feels so nice.
Oh, they smell so good.
You love your face feeling like a newborn baby? Get this face mask.
You can see like all Posh. These are made in the USA, vegan, and this product is part of our Shea Sisterhood Alliance. Magnesium rich with salt from the Great Salt Lake. Magnesium is so good for sore muscles. Your face, like your skin looks different a little bit. A little bit like here and here. Oh, it's so soft.
It is.
It just looks so clean.
Her face is so soft. Oh.
It feels so clean and just looks good.
Yeah.
And
And even though you probably feel very moisturized right now, you do want to follow up with a moisturizer because this mask opens up your pores. So it's going to allow those good nutrients from our natural moisturizers to really soak into your skin. I've got Call Your Shrink moisturizer here, which I'm going to give to Kira because it's got glycolic acid in it, which can help clear up any pimples.
My face looks so nice and it feels so nice.
Mine's still not dry yet.
Cause yours is so thick.
I put way too much on my cheeks.
I think you were a little too excited.
Because I really wanted to be able to peel it off in one.
And I think you're going to
big
be
day.
able to.
Yeah. One more thing I forgot to talk about, Santa's Little Healer. This is a healer stick that has everything healer has in it plus added spearmint. So it's like orangey and that light spearmint together. It is my favorite. I love it just as a lip balm, but it does everything the healer stick does. Smell it?
I love that.
Can I use that as a lip balm right now?
Yeah. What do you think? Oh,
Smells
like it
like
makes
Christmas.
Oh, it makes my heart leap. I love it that much.
Can I try it?
Yeah. This is feeling weird on my lip. It's starting to move.
It's so moisturizing.
Kira, our faces look so good.
We shared.
Get this.
I'm gonna try to do mine.
Yeah.
I hope it comes off in all one way so I can see. Try here.
This is like playing Jenga. Oh. I really want it in one piece. We're gonna try. If not, I would just start ripping it, but.
Have you seen the ASMR videos, Mom?
People peeling face masks.
And like doing all the satisfying stuff.
Eating honeycomb. I would never do that, but I
Ew.
think it's so.
Ooh.
I think it's so cool.
Oh,
It makes
speaking
me want to suffer.
Speaking of honey, there's another hand cream that I didn't get called Honey Berry, and it is the same scent as that Honey body lotion.
Really?
Yes.
I love honey.
I gotta get this side. I should have went thicker right here so I had a good thing to grab onto. Here I go. The girls left. These kids and their short attention spans. They'll just have to watch the video. Oh, it's in my hair.
Oh, there it is. her back.
Do you want to stay in here?
Yes, bad.
You just like really want it to.
I really, really want it to be a one piece.
We put on prize on the eyes.
Yeah, we put on prize on the eyes, which is like for under eyes to help.
And it really
eyebags.
works.
It really does work.
Especially when you're teenagers.
And you don't sleep because of homework. Oh, he was chasing me.
Because you don't have homework. Sully is so adorable. Like, he's a beautiful dog.
He is.
A German Shepherd. Okay, it's not gonna come in one piece because it's still kind of wet on my cheeks here.
Maybe next time just put a little bit less.
Oh.
Yeah. But a good layer, like the amount in between what she used and what I used is perfect.
You should just wear that for Halloween. Pretend that you're like a dying Tin Man.
Oh God. I just went in my mouth.
Yeah.
All right, don't laugh when you do this. It's gonna suck into your nose and mouth. They're ready to brush their teeth.
With charcoal. If you haven't tried that, it's pretty cool.
I've never tried it.
It's like really messy.
Ooh.
I've tried it once.
I had a toothpaste for a while that was in powder form, and it was like called like dirt, I think. And it was like charcoal, but it's not charcoal. It's just like all antioxidants and stuff.
Ooh, that was satisfying.
That was really satisfying.
Oh, I almost got the whole thing. Ooh, I do look refreshed. I'm a little red. That's okay. My forehead's red, but like it doesn't hurt at all. It's
Yeah,
just
lotion soft.
It's just like my pores opening and my skin being revitalized. I got too close to my hairline. This is getting difficult to remove. So don't do that. My face does feel very soft.
Yeah.
I mean, yours did, but you guys are younger than me. My face feels super soft.
When you look down like this, it looks like you're a vampire. Then Angel. Vampire.
Angel.
Vampire. Angel.
Wow. So soft.
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
that's probably the best face mask Posh has ever made.
Besides Crackle Spackle, because I really love Crackle Spackle. It's a classic.
So if you want to get your hands on any of these goodies, go to poshwithkelly.com, and if you want to see more review videos with these cutie pies and myself, subscribe, like, comment, all the things. Thanks so much. Have a good day.